Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. This week I'm going to be turning a pen from a piece of Padauk. Stick around, we'll get started. Okay, I went ahead and cut the blank to size, drilled a hole through it, glued the tube in, and then once the glue dried, used the barrel trimmer to bring the ends of the tube down to the right size. I've got it mounted in my headstock on a pen mandrel. Got a little spacer here to take up the extra room. Let me grab a round carbide cutter, face mask, and turn on the dust extractor. All right, I don't know if the camera picks that up, but that is a glass-like finish. Padauk is a fairly open poured wood. So what you saw me do was put on, I think it was 8 coats, and then take some micro mesh and bring it down. And I checked for any shiny spots, which indicates that there were pores that needed to be filled again. So then I put on another 4 coats, did the same thing, and then the third time, when I hit it with the first pad of micro mesh, it was completely dull. There were no more shiny spots. So that indicates that all of the pores had been filled up to the same surface as the rest of the tube. So it's completely completely shiny. So now let me move it over to the bench, and I will put it together. Okay. This kit is pretty easy to put together. You really just press in the top and the bottom and then mount the refills. So let me get the top mounted. And then the bottom. Once you've got the top and bottom pressed in, just pop in the refill. Spring, and put the top on it. And there you go. The Padauk's an interesting wood. It turns brown fairly quickly in sunlight. One thing I'm thinking about doing is doing a video and experimenting with a couple of different finishes and see if any of them provide more UV protection than others. So, you know, take the same block of wood, cut it until it's got a nice fresh surface, paint one area of it with each finish, and get a couple different ones that I can lay my hands on, and see if any of them work any better than others as far as keeping it from turning brown, or keep it from turning brown as long as possible, because eventually it will turn brown again. But yeah, otherwise I think this one is pretty much done. So thanks for sticking with me. I put one of these out about every week or so. So hopefully, if you subscribe and ring the bell, you'll get notified the next time I put one out. Take care.